YouTube, we're back here with Beast Mode on the road, and today we're putting in our new inverter that we got in. Let's get it out and look at it and see what it looks like. And there's babies waving. Hi babies. So, we'll show you what it looks like and get it installed. Alrighty, here it is. It is a pure sine inverter. It's a 3000 watt continuous, 6000 watt surge. The last one I had, I guess it just crapped out on me. I'm not sure what happened, but here's a new one. We're gonna get it installed, and we'll be able to boondock once again. You might be able to hear those seagulls. We are on beachside right now. We wish. We're by a junkyard. Now we're inside my little compartment here. I got my two MPPT controllers, my 1000 amp hour lead acid battery bank. Gonna be selling it soon. It's only a year old, but I really need to reduce the weight and get some lithium. I've been watching a guy on YouTube how to build my own battery, so eventually we will. Now this might look like a rat's nest, but everything is very well organized and color-coded for my sake for right now, the mock-up system, until I can afford boxes to put everything in. But I've got a 300 amp shunt, another 300 amp shunt, and a little bitty 100 amp shunt going to my charge controllers. 250 amp fuse, keeping those from blowing anything. I got my switch here. It goes to where my inverter was plugged at, right there. So we're gonna get that put back in and let it rip. Now we have a project for later on in summer. We're gonna be redoing the solar panels and making them more streamlined on the roof, and possibly putting in a mini split. But for now, those are two 50 amp, oh no, those are both 60 amp charge controllers. Switch, 400 amp T-fuse block spot. But you can see my panels, they kind of overlap my roof. I'm going to try to take off that front air conditioner unit and replace them with a mini split, so we can put the panels closer to the roof and streamline them some more. I think I need to take my propane tank and get it filled. Yeah, that's empty. So, alrighty. Alrighty, we're back at it again. Sorry for the rain and the... Alright, so it's been raining, finally stopped for half a second. There might be a little wind in this video, but we'll take care of it. Alright, so I need to put my switch back up on the wall, get this mounted back here, and then we'll hook up our connections. Give it a test run, hope it works. I've got everything turned off. I'm unplugged just to make sure. I'm going to try to put these on first just to see what kind of room I'm working with. And remember guys, always think positive. Whenever you're plugging in anything, plug the positive in first. And then whenever you unplug anything, unplug the positive first. Just like jumping cars, any of that. Alrighty, so this is all generally a mock setup. I'm going to be taping everything off once I make sure all the connections are there and everything is working 100% properly before I commit to having it all this length and where it's at. I would like some boxes, but it doesn't look like it's going to be too necessary. So let's get to it. Are you kidding me? Did I not bring in the right? We'll go ahead and put this thing up then. All right. Now we're going to get the inverter installed here. And we'll need to get an extension for that. Alrighty, let's tighten up. Alrighty, got my shunt wired in. Got it running kind of haphazardly right here. Alright, it's installed. Kick my solar back on. Alrighty. There we go. Plugged in. Let's go check it out. Alright. So everything's being loaded on. Alright. Let's go down here. Still gotta hook up my switch. But Yahtzee, we got power, guys. Awesome. It works. Well, another job well done. We got the power back on, inverter installed. Now we just need to clean up the area a little more and call it a day. But remember, I'm going to be showing more of this later on and my solar. So stay tuned. The beast mode on the road.